Yo YouTube, what is going on? It's Stay Humble White and I'm back at it again with another vlog. This is day 4 of Puerto Rico. It's just me, my mom, my sister, and Nicole today. The rest of my family is at their house relaxing. So we decided to take a beach day today. Today we are at Playa Crash Boat Beach. Today we are going to be jumping off the little ledge that they have over here and just relaxing in the water a little bit. So we just got out the car, we just parked it. So we'll see what we got going on today. So Crash Boat Beach is pretty packed today. Look what we got going on. Hopefully that water's cold. I'm trying to be in some cold water today. So we're gonna cross over. Over to the other side, and that's the ledge. You walk down the ledge and you jump into the water. On the left side over there, you got like caves and stuff like that. It just looks so nice. So with that being said, let's cross over, set up at the beach, and jump into some water. All right, so let's touch the water and see how cold and warm it is. Woo, stay lit. Me matas sin un pistolón y yo te compro un banshee. Hey, lit on the boat right there. I probably can't even record because of the music. Copyright problems. Look, you see the people jumping off over there? That's what I'm about to go do over there right now. That's what we're about to go do right now. The water feels good. It feels good, right, babe? It's lit. Alright YouTube, so I took my first little jump in the water. Now Nico's about to come. He said he's gonna dive. Let's see what he got for us. Whew.
I'll do it one more time and then that's it.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. The farther you walk, the more deep it gets. Walk on the other side. Just watch out for the rocks in the water. Yeah. Alright YouTube, so we came back onto the ledge. Nicole's about to jump for the first time on Crash Boat. Oh, she said she wants to go deeper? Well, say less. Let's go deeper. Excuse me. Alright, there's no big rocks over here. Right here would be good, babe. Oh, look at that jet ski. I want to be like that. Alright, so are you gonna jump in, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll record you jumping. Watch your back. There's people there. Wait till the people clear up. They bumping over on the boat. Go ahead, Nico. Let me see something. Oh, he's gonna do a backflip. Fancy. Hey. Keep going. And I guess that makes it our turn. Alright, catch the GoPro. I'm gonna throw the GoPro to Nicole so she can record us jumping. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Oh my god, it's so fucking refreshing. Oh, now to just float here for hours. Alright YouTube, so I just finished eating a pincho, a shish kebab. I had to think about that for a second. I had a chicken shish kebab and I had a shrimp shish kebab. I let my food digest a little bit Now I'm gonna take a nice dive into this water. Yes, I said a dive. Before I wasn't diving because I was kind of scared, but knocked that fear out real quick behind the scenes so I could put it on the scene. So right now, Nicole is swimming right there. That's Nicole. I'm gonna throw her the GoPro and she's gonna catch us diving in action. So let's get it, YouTube. All right, so this would be the point that I'll be diving from. We beat Nicole over here. I got Nico over here. I can't wait to dive in there. I'm dried up already, as you guys can see. I was wet, now I'm dry. The sun is burning me up. I hope I get a nice sunburn out of it. I'm doing all this today. You out of breath? Don't worry about it. I'll throw the GoPro to you. You want to go down there first? Like that when I dive in, you can catch the footage. Crabs down there.
Little baby crabs.
Little baby crabs. Alright, YouTube, we're going down. 3, 2, 1.
Look at the baby crabs. Wait, y'all about to jump over my head?
Alright, YouTube. So, Nico's gonna jump down. He's gonna grab the GoPro, catch up, and dive inside. Let's see how quick underwater dive inside. Got it.
Nico, 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 Nico.
Alright, so Nico. Hold on, I gotta grab off the surf. I can put these snorkels on. Go ahead, what you gotta do is stay right there. Hold on. If you wanna go in the water, go in the water. Just catch me diving in. Action. Hold on. Alright, what you need? YouTube, we got Yadiel on this.
Yadiel.
Next, we got Dex.
Dex. Dex go freeze in midair. He right there, get it up. He climbed it. Oh.
Don't get caught, that's rust. I can't put it on.
Oh, there's high tires.
I'm about to descend.
Do a flip.
I'm gonna dive.
3, 2, 1. Go, baby.
White boy here. You put the camera on the water?
Underwater?
Underwater. You're supposed to catch me diving in the water.
I'll do it.
Everybody scared to jump over that?
Yup.
I'm gonna go farther next time. That was nothing.
Three, 2, 1.
Alright, YouTube, there you have it. We were at Crash Boat Beach today. You guys got to see what the beaches are like on my island, Puerto Rico. Oof, we got refreshed in that water today. It was about 94 degrees. We refreshed ourselves. We jumped in the water. We dove into the water. We did flips into the water. And you guys got to see us enjoy ourselves at Crash Boat Beach. So, with that being said, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm about to drive home. We got about an hour and a ride. Hour and a half ride home. So, with that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the content again. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like, hit that comment, drop a comment, hit that post notifications bell, so every time I throw up a post, you guys can stay up to date with everything and keep up. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.